बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ एक ऐसे शेयर करने वाला हूँ। इसे का नाम है द इम्पैक्ट्स ऑफ कोविड-19 ऑन एजुकेशन। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। देयर इज अ वेल नोन कोटेशन दैट इफ यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू लर्न, नो वन कैन हेल्प यू। इफ यू आर डिटर्मिन्ड टू लर्न, नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू। The validity of this quotation can be challenged. Validity के मानी है दुरुस्तगी। In the present situation, all over the world, because there are many determined students who want to learn, but the strange disease called COVID-19 has stopped everyone from learning. COVID-19 is the name of a disease which is caused by a new strain of coronavirus. Strain के मानी है kinds, types. The word COVID-19 is the abbreviation of CO, which stands for corona, V, which stands for virus, D, which stands for disease. The digit 19 refers to the year in which the first case of this disease was reported. This disease is spreading very rapidly. This disease can be called a pandemic disease because its cases are increasing very fast. It has affected the whole world in a very short time. Next paragraph. The first case of this deadly disease was reported in the Wuhan city of China. This fatal disease took the whole world by storm. Fatal के मानी है मोहलिक, खतरनाक। took by storm के मानी है इसने पूरी दुनिया में एक कोहराम सा मचा दिया है. In Pakistan, the first case was reported from Karachi on February 26, 2020. The attack of the new virus was so severe that it affected all the sectors very badly. Each and every sector of life stopped. Parks, hotels, airports, schools, colleges, and universities have been closed. The impacts of COVID-19 can be seen in every sector of life. Among all the sectors, education sector is badly affected by COVID-19. The impacts of COVID-19 pandemic can be divided into two groups: negative impacts and positive impacts. The first one is negative impacts. Some negative impacts of this pandemic are the following ones. Number first, many regular classes were suspended because there was a great threat of spreading of the disease from close contact of students. Exams of different level has been postponed. Admissions process of many programs got delayed, due to which many countries rescheduled their academic years. Teachers recruitment process in many countries have been postponed due to COVID-19. Teaching learning process is badly affected. And point number six is unemployment rate also increased because many businesses and companies remained closed during COVID-19. Okay, next paragraph is both the teachers as well as students were not ready for such sudden changes. The teachers of some underdeveloped countries were not well trained to deliver online lectures. Similarly, the students of many countries were having no internet facilities. Due to such situations, many examinations have been cancelled and students have been given free promotion to the next classes. No proper assessment has been carried out, which no doubt is a great loss on the part of the students. Now let's come to the positive impacts. Apart from the negative impacts, COVID-19 brought some positive impacts also. These positive impacts are: for the first time, digital technology has been introduced for the deliverance of education. Number second, blended learning has been introduced along with traditional mode. Blended learning के मानी है the use of technology and information technology, computer, etc. in education. ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग का मतलब है कि लर्निंग के दौरान ये जो कंप्यूटर है या इंटरनेट है या इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी है, इसको इस्तेमाल करके ट्रेडिशनल तरीके, ये जो रिवायती तरीका है उसके साथ ये ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया. नंबर थर्ड इज learning materials have been shared with all students in a very easy manner. Teachers learned many new methods like video lectures and video conferencing. यानी टीचर्स ने भी नए मेथडोलॉजीज जो है वो सीख लिए, वीडियो लेक्चर्स और वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसेस वगैरह. नंबर 5 इज स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्टेड लर्निंग फ्रॉम यूट्यूब एंड गूगल. तालिब इल्म जो थे उन्होंने भी यूट्यूब और गूगल से बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है सीखना शुरू कर दी. तो ये इसके पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट्स थे. Okay, now the next paragraph is the negative impacts of COVID-19 are more than positive impacts. यानी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट जो है, जो नुकसान कोविड-19 ने दिया है वो ज़्यादा है as compared to the positive impacts of COVID-19. So we should strictly follow the protective measures to prevent the transmission of COVID-19. Above all, we have to accept that COVID-19 is a fact. It is a fact and not a myth. ये मिथ नहीं है, ये बनी बनाई चीज नहीं है, कि ये झूठ नहीं है, ये बिल्कुल सच्ची बात है कि ये एक बीमारी है और we have to accept it. Our non-serious approach and attitude has deteriorated the conditions to the worst. यानी हमारे इस नॉन सीरियस अप्रोच जो हमारा है, जो हमारा रवैया है, इसने हालात को खराब से खराबतर कर दिए हैं, बदतर बना दिए हैं. It should be kept in mind that it is a disease. ये आपने याद रखनी है कि ये एक बीमारी है, like HIV, TB and cancer. So we have to follow the SOPs of COVID-19 in a real sense. Otherwise, we are going to suffer at the hands of recently discovered fatal disease. ये जो खतरनाक मोहलिक बीमारी है, इसके हाथों हमने इसमें बीमार होना है फिर, अगर हमने इसके जो SOPs है उस पर अमल नहीं किया. So the last paragraph is, so in short we can say that COVID-19 brought many new things with itself which greatly affected the education sector, but still there is a ray of hope. लेकिन फिर भी उम्मीद की एक किरण अभी बाकी है. We hope that the year 2021 will bring the situation to its normal and our students will make up for their losses. और हमारे तालिब इल्मों का जो नुकसान हुआ है वो इस कमी को पूरा कर लेंगे. तो उम्मीद है आपको इस टॉपिक की समझ आ गई होगी. इस मजमून को आपने अच्छे तरीके से याद करना है और इंशाल्लाह आपको पूरे के पूरे नंबर इस पर मिलेंगे. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.